Hey guys, Miata Man here. Today we've got a Miata that has a horn that isn't working. This should be the same process for 1990 all the way up to 05. And what I'm going to do is go through the steps I took to diagnose it and figure out what it was. First of all, I tried the horn button. Of course, no horn, but I could hear a click under the dash, so I know that the relay's working. So with the horn button working, the relay working, the next thing we do is we look at the horn itself, which is right in here. It looks just like that. So what I did was I disconnected the electrical connection on the back of it, and I'll show you how to get at that easily. So we take our 10mm wrench and we undo the 10mm bolt that holds the horn to the body, which also grounds the horn to the body. So we want to get that out. So hold the horn and then just undo the last couple of turns by hand, and that way you won't drop the horn down. Now this connector has a little push on the back of it, so you just push it in and then you can slide it off like that. So that's actually the new horn. I'm just sort of retracing my steps here to show you guys what we did. So this one works great. The one that came out is this one, and it doesn't work at all. And it looks fine, but it just doesn't work. So what I did after we tossed this out is we take a test light and we pop it in the end of the connector onto the metal part that's in there, and then you have an assistant push the horn button for you, and the light inside the test light should light up red to tell you that there's power. So this one has two lights in it. Sometimes it lights up green, I don't know. Didn't light up green on this one, it came up red. So we know that we have power. And so if we know we've got power here, we know it's the horn. So what we did was hook up a new one, or in this case, a pre-owned, very nice pre-owned horn. And be sure to slide the connector in there. Put some dielectric grease on it so that it gets a better contact. And that way it'll stop corrosion and stuff from getting it at the electrical connection there. And then pop it back on like I just did here. And then tighten it back up. Don't over tighten it, because you do run the risk of snapping that bolt off if you do. But just make sure it's nice and firm. And then you should have a horn again. So let's just test it out real quick and I'll show you. There you go, as simple as that, guys. If you've got a horn that isn't working, make sure the relay's clicking. If the relay's working, check the connector for the power to the horn. If you've got power there, 99% of the time it's going to be your horn. So check that out. Hope that saves you some time. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll make more videos real soon.